Hi guys, I am at Mr. Price right now. I've been to Pep already, just going to do another little home video. So I just thought that I'd show you guys this because I've never seen a Mr. Price home like this. It looks amazing. How cool is this, guys? This is so amazing. I'm so excited to go in and see what they have.
Hi again, guys. As you've seen, I went to Mr. Price. That Mr. Price I went to is in Bergfleet Main Road. I didn't only go to Mr. Price, as I mentioned. I went to Pep as well. I just got a few decor items and also some kitchen items. Very few kitchen items, but I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I am so excited about this first item. If you've seen my Pep video previously, you will know. Oh no, sorry, not my Pep video. I made another video. I think it was my makeup video, and I spoke about my mirror that I used in the Pep video, which fell and broke, and I was basically still trying to figure out, am I going to make a mirror or buy a mirror? And I walked into Mr. Price home and saw this beautiful mirror. Okay guys, so as you can see, my outfit of the day. It's very hot outside, but it's also a bit breezy, so I thought I'll just put on something with vents. Anyway, this is the mirror. I am that crazy girl. I just spent 1K on a mirror, but guys, there's no excuse. There's no excuse for spending so much money on a mirror, but I really liked it. And not only that, it is a standing mirror. So I'm not going to have any incidents like my last mirror where it's going to fall. The mirror has now been taken out of the wrapping and it has been carved. It also has like this gold detail. It doesn't feel like wood. I don't know if this actually is wood or not. The next item I have are these dishcloths. I actually already purchased a few from Mr. Price home, but they are the general ones that just come in the yellow and in the red and the blue. I got the 4-pack of that for 40 rand, but when I went to Mr. Price they didn't have that specific one today, but I wanted to get more dishcloths, so I took this one. It was 40 rand as well, but this one is a set of 3. I think that is because the color is different and also the materials are a lot different. I really do like the color of this, and yeah, I can't wait to dry off dishes. So the next item that I got was these lunch boxes. I also actually already bought this before. They are 40 rand for the 4 of them. They come in this nice little meshy kind of material, that orange bag material. I find the lunch boxes very conventional. They're so easy to use, they're practical, and you can literally store anything inside of them. It doesn't only have to be food, but I am going to be storing food in here. We are done with Mr. Price now. I basically only went to Mr. Price because I was just thinking, should I get myself a mirror or not? But the first shop I went to was actually Pep Home, and from Pep the first item I got is this mat. It's just a mat that says welcome. The mat that I have inside right now is from Mr. Price, but I wanted something that wasn't a matte material. I'm not sure how this is going to be maintained once people have walked on it. I hope that dirt doesn't get stuck inside, and I hope that it will be easy to wash. It does smell it smells the way it looks, like very rubbery, and I am worried about the gold peeling away, but that's fine. It was 40 rand, so it's not the end of the world. Okay, so the next item is this cooking brush. When we brine, this probably will come in very handy. This one was 18 rand, so it's also quite an affordable item, and I really like the color. This little green going with that brown, it's very nice. And yeah, I think that I can also basically maybe brush my cake tins when I want to bake, and you know you don't have that non-stick pans or the paper to put it down, and you need to put the butter, so I'll be doing that buttering. The next item is this little brush with a mirror. This isn't really a decor item, but I bought this just so that I can have a brush on me if I'm away from the house and don't look good, or if I'm at work and just need to brush down some standing piece from my wig. So yeah, that's the reason I got this one, and this one was 11 rand. It's very cute. It's just white and black. The mirror is functional, and if we squeeze the brush out, okay, it's very cute. I don't know if it will actually, wait, okay, okay, it does work. Okay, I like it. It's not too bad. I just hope that it's not really strong and brushes out all the strains of hair out of my wig. Hopefully that doesn't happen, because we don't have money right now with corona vibes, so I can't afford to be buying any wig anytime soon. So hopefully it doesn't do me dirty. The next item, which is my most favorite, is this curtain, and it says that it is a heavy weave taped curtain, and it's a 2-pack unlined. It's a 137 by 218. I am very worried about the width of this. The length I know is fine, it's just the width that I'm a bit worried about, because I know that people always go for widths that are in the 200 centimeter ranges. So I'm not sure if this is going to be long enough for the section where I want to put this curtain, but we'll try and we will be hopeful. This is such a cool buy for me, because I've been looking for curtains forever, and yes, they are out there, but it's 200 rand for one curtain, and I do not have money to be buying one curtain for 200 rand. So the fact that they had two for under 300 rand was perfect, like a dream come true for me. I am going to open it. I'm not going to open it completely, because I do actually want to show you guys what it looks like once I hang it. The next items are these curtain hooks. I bought 3 of them because I have curtains in the bedroom as well, and I don't want to hang these ones in the bedroom. I'm going to hang these ones in the living area. Eventually I will change the curtain hooks in the bedroom, because they are the metal ones and they are so annoying to put in and out when you wash the curtains. These were 7 rand. I'm not sure how many hooks are in this packet. It says size 25, but I highly doubt that's the amount that's in here, so I'm not too sure, which is why I bought 3 just to be safe. I just wanted to show you guys this, then we can basically go hang the curtain and show you what it looks like. Okay, so the curtains are up. Guys, I am learning so much as I'm buying all these home things. So I never knew that unlined means a specific thing. So basically there's no extra layer of material at the back to hold the curtain from being transparent. So basically what I'm going to have to do now is put up one of those transparent curtains. I'm going to have to put one of those up behind this, so that it can basically stop doing what it's doing right now, because if you are standing on the outside you can see, but nobody comes. We live in a separate entrance, so nobody comes around the section where we live. Nobody will ever see inside, so it's fine. But I am still going to make a plan just so that if Freddie or Jason come outside, I don't see them. The next item is this dish. It was 50 rand. I got it in the sale section of Pep. I really like that it is ceramic. So it is ceramic and it got dropped down to 50 rand. I don't know what the original price was there. The original sticker was taken off, but this is such a cheap thing. Oh my word, I can't believe I got this. It's also very textured on the outside. There are grooves that make it look so beautiful. I really do like this. It's so fancy looking. Like, you wouldn't say that this was 50 rand, honestly. Okay, it obviously wasn't 50 rand, but you wouldn't say that it was probably 100 rand. It looks so expensive. So the reason I got that and the other item that I'm about to show you was because these are currently the dishes that I am using. They are serving bowls, salad bowls from Giant. This one was, I think this one was 15 rand, 20 rand, and then this one was about 10 rand. They were very cheap, and they do come in quite handy, but I normally mix stuff in here, so I actually did want a real serving bowl, and then also just to have another serving bowl with this one. They are both plastic. So yeah, now I actually have a real grown-up fancy one, so I'm very excited to use that one in the future. So the next item is the serving dishes best friend. Or actually, this isn't the best friend. I would say that this is the auntie or the uncle. The uncle was 30 rand. It's also textured inside. I can put biscuits or little finger food on here if I ever have people over to my little place. I'm so ecstatic that I got this for 30 bucks. It is really a steal, and this is going to come in so handy in the future if I ever have a party. I actually forgot that I had bought something else from Mr. Price. When I looked and saw this, I was like, oh yes, I got that too. This one was 16 rand, and it's literally just a candle dish. So you put your candle in there, and I guess that the candle, if it messes, it can mess on this tray. And also, even if it's not a messing candle, it just has somewhere nice to stand. The candle that I bought from my previous Pep Home video, I bought a holder for it as well, but after I recorded, I realized that the candle is actually quite big for the holder, and I thought that it would better fit in something like this because it's not going to be compressed as it is right now, and maybe I can buy a different candle for that holder that I have right now. So yeah, this one is just like a blue color. They didn't have any plain white ones, which is what I wanted. This one has a hint of blue inside it. I'm not sure if you can see that. The next items are very boring. I bought 2 packs of pigs. I forgot what these are called for a minute. They are 20 in a pack. I have pigs, which I bought from Mr. Cheap. And oh my word, if Flimsy was a person, they are useless. Completely, utterly useless. So I basically had to get new pigs for I was lucky enough to be blessed. My other half, my boo, my bae, my mans, got me this ring light. I think he bought it from Take a Lot, and I didn't ask the price because I'm not about to be that girl. It's so cute. It has 2 or 3 different light functions. The one light is a very white light, and then the other light is more of a yellow light. I'm not sure what you would use the different lights for. Maybe it's the time of day that it is that you're recording, but I hope that me taking it away from the camera didn't mess up any of my lighting, but I highly doubt it because I probably need to get much stronger lighting. This isn't a strong light. I think it's literally just you taking a selfie and it's in your face and it will basically brighten it up. It's not really going to work in a big room, or it's not going to work if you want a lot of light. So yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys this. I was so excited to show you guys because I was like, damn, I'm getting there guys. I'm really blessed. Thank you so much for sitting and watching that. Okay, so I put it back, and I honestly don't know if it actually makes a difference in my face when I'm recording like right now. But anyway, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I do look forward to seeing you all next week. Bye.